Is Stash safe to use? The answer is a solid yes, and here's why. Stash is a real SEC registered financial company. This means it follows strict government rules to protect your money and data. Your investments with Stash are protected by SIPC insurance, which covers up to $500,000 if the company ever runs into trouble. Plus, if you use Stash's banking features, your cash is FDIC insured up to $2,500, just like a traditional bank account. On top of that, Stash uses strong encryption and security measures to keep your personal info and investments safe from hackers. You are in control of all your trades, and Stash won't buy or sell anything without your permission. That said, remember that investing always carries risk and the stock market can be volatile, and your portfolio value can go up or down. Stash itself is secure, but your investment results depend on the market. So if you're looking for a beginner-friendly, trustworthy app to start investing or saving, Stash is a safe option. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest finance breakdowns. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'm here to help.